Hey guys, it's Matt with Atlas Precision Consulting. On this video, we're going to cover just quickly how to run demand year maintenance. I have my item master inquiry screen open with the purchase stock card to kind of show you a telltale sign that somebody has not run the demand year maintenance for the month. If you know this is an item that you're selling, but your daily usage or your period usage is showing a 0, or if you go to the actual usage tab itself, this is more of a dead giveaway. The forecast usage you're going to see is going to be 0. Excuse my screen taking a second. So if you see that 0, that means somebody hasn't run it. You can also notice that when you go to run your inventory ranking, you will see a bunch of zeros in the rank value. Again, our system doesn't, in this test system, we don't have a lot of items, but just some dead giveaways that somebody has forgot to run the demand year maintenance, which you need to do before you do your ABC rankings. Again, the dead giveaway is your forecast usage is set to 0. To run demand year maintenance is very simple. I recommend, depending on the amount of items that you have, not to do this necessarily right in the middle of the day. And how many locations obviously plays into that. But we put in our current year. You generally want to have all 3 of these boxes checked over here to the right. Forecast accuracy is generally set to 0.7. That's pretty standard. I generally don't recommend doing the reclassification and ranking here. I recommend doing that just running the standard inventory ranking classification. And all you do is whatever your current month is you're starting, you hit the checkbox to update the forecast, and you can hit save. Now again, depending on your amount of data, this could take a little while to run, and our system running once a month shouldn't be that big of a deal. But if you have any questions about this, or you'd like to see different videos on this topic or other topics, put a comment down below. You can ignore those up on the right there. And as always, like, subscribe, and we're always here to help with your P21 needs. Thanks, guys.